In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 4, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So at first, let's open your phone dialer, then go to phone book, and here you will notice Blacklist. So just open it, and here you can smoothly add a number by tapping on Add Number, and now you can either pick it from your call list, from contact, or add manually. So if it's about your contact, just tap on From Contact, pick the contact that you would like to block, and that's it. As you can see, it is blocked. Then you can also add some number manually, and now smoothly provide the number that you want to block. Tap on block then, and that's it. Then to remove some number from your blacklist, just tap on remove number, mark it, and then tap on delete. Confirm it, and that's it. So this is how cold blocking looks here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.